Hey guys, I am sitting in my house and we're all like stuck in our houses right now because it's snowing like crazy at our house. But it's been allowing me to do some other stuff like trying to upload my Justin Bieber song that I've been trying for days. But I want to show you guys kind of what it looks like outside. It's just insane. I guess, you know, this is part of my reactions, right? I'm just reacting to what I'm living currently. Check this out. Yeah, wait, can you see that? Or is it blurry? I think it looks kind of blurry out there. No, it's just blurry because you can't see. So, we are in a snowstorm, big time. But it's super fun. Anyway, have a great weekend, guys. Bye.